Hello and welcome to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute. I'm Sheri Shannon.
And I'm Liz Welch. We are both financial coaches at the University of Illinois Community Credit Union.
Well, Liz, we're back to continue our conversation on mortgages today.
And today we're going to be talking about the documentation needed to apply.
Gathering required documentation is an important part of the home buying or refinancing process.
What type of documentation will our listeners need to provide for their mortgage lender?
A lender will require information about income, assets, employment history, and more.
Oh, that sounds like a lot to provide. I think having a checklist will help to stay on track with this.
Great idea, Liz, and most lenders will provide that to you. To start, you'll need proof of income. These can be recent pay stubs, tax returns, and a letter from your employer if you're newly employed. If you are newly employed, let your lender know that before you get started. Some lenders require at least 2 years of steady employment.
Sheri, if income is from other sources like child support, Social Security, or disability, what's required?
Normally, a letter from those sources, tax document, or bank statement showing the direct deposit are all acceptable.
And you mentioned proof of assets earlier. What does this include?
Good question, Liz. It's proof of your financial resources like bank, investment, and retirement account statements. Assets show the lender if you have funds for a down payment and closing costs. They can also show that you can afford the monthly payments.
What if I have student loans? Do I need to include this information?
The lender should see this on your credit report. However, it's a good idea to have information about student loans, car loans, and any other debts prepared in case they don't appear on your credit report.
Sheri, is there anything else that would be helpful to prepare?
Yes. If you're renting, a copy of the lease agreement might be required.
That's a lot of paperwork, but it's worth it to become a homeowner. And again, having that checklist helps.
Absolutely. Being prepared can make the process smoother. Plus, it's a small step in the process of owning your own home.
Listeners, tune in next week as we wrap up our topics for the quarter: summer spending, consumer lending, and mortgages.
And for more financial health resources, check out the financial wellness page at uofcreditunion.org. And remember, if you're listening, you can bank with us. I'm Sheri Shannon.
And I'm Liz Welch. Thanks for tuning in to the UICCU No Judgment Zone Money Minute on WPCD.